In this video, I will show you how to edit your display name or appearance name in your Snapchat account. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Snapchat app. Then go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and click on the name right here. Then click on edit. Then enter your new name right here. Once you enter your new name, go ahead and hit on save. And you are done. It's that simple. For more use, so just like so, you have the name right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Snapchat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.